Hello students, how are you? I hope that you will be fine. I am Aditya Vikram Rai from LP Public School and this school is situated in Gola Bazar. And today in class 4 we are going to learn exercise 2 addition and subtraction. Okay? In exercise 2 we have to learn today exercise 2 addition and subtraction. Addition and subtraction. Addition and subtraction. Okay, we are going to learn topic addition and subtraction. Let's start it without wasting our time. Common topic, and today we have to learn adding 4-digit number. How we can add 4-digit number. Our first topic is adding 4-digit number. So let's common topic. First topic is adding 4-digit number. Adding 4-digit numbers. Adding 4-digit numbers. Okay. Now the first topic is adding 4-digit number. In 4-digit number, firstly we have to learn addition without regrouping. Okay. So firstly we have to learn addition without regrouping. Addition without regrouping. Addition without regrouping. Addition without regrouping. Okay. So let's start. There is an example given. What is it? So find the sum of. Find the sum of 1340 and 5658. Find the sum of 1340 and 5658. Okay, when we will now firstly in step first add the ones and then add the tens and now add the hundreds and now add the thousand. Okay, so the number is 1340 and 5658. In step first add the ones, tens, hundred, thousand. In step first add the ones, so 0 ones plus 8 ones, that is 8 ones. And in step 2 add the tens, 4 tens plus 5 tens, 9 tens. And in step 3rd add the 100, 300 plus 600, 900. And now add the 1000, 1000 plus 5000, 6000. So the sum is 6998. Okay, and now come on next type of question. Add next example. Add 2140 240 and 4102 and 324. Okay, let's come on topic, that is ones, tens, hundred, thousand. 2 1 3 0 3 1 2 3 1 2 2 0 1 4 4 2 3. In this case first add the ones, 0 ones plus 3 ones, 3 ones, 3 plus 2 5 ones and 5 plus 4 9 ones. Now in step 2 add the tens, 3 tens plus 1 ten, 4 10, 4 plus 2 6 10. Now add 100, 100 plus 200, 300, 300, 400, 4 700. And now add 1000, 2000 plus 4000, 6000. So the sum is 6769. Now come on. And now the next topic in adding 4-digit number is addition with regrouping. So come on topic addition with regrouping. addition with regrouping. Addition with regrouping. Let's common topic without wasting our time. Okay, the topic is addition with regrouping. In addition with regrouping, there is an example given. Add. There is an example. Add 4,000, 7,254, 6,263, and next one is 7,948. Okay, add 7,254, 6,263, and 7,948. In step first, add of ones. Okay, firstly we have to write these numbers in column. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand. 4, 5, 2, 7, 3, 6, 2, 6, 8, 4, 9, 7. In step first, add the ones. 4 ones plus 3 ones plus 8 ones, 15 ones. And when you will regroup 15 ones, regroup 15 ones into 1, 10, 5 ones. 1 tens and 5 1, and carry over 5 in the write 5 in the ones column. Okay, so write 5 in the ones column and carry over 110 to the tens column. Carry over 110 to the tens column, and step 2, add the tens. And when you will add the tens, 110 plus 510 plus 610 plus 410, that is 1610. Okay, so 1610 when you will regroup 1610 regroup 16 tens into 100 and 6 tens. Write 6 in the tens column and write 6 in the tens column, and 1 carry over 100 to the 100 column. And now add the 100 in step third, carry over 100 to the 100 column, and add the hundreds. 100 plus 200 plus 200 and plus 900, that is 9 to 11, 11 to 2, 1, 3, 3 to 5, 5 and 14. Okay, and that is 14 hundreds, and regroup 14 hundreds into 1000 and 400s. Okay, regroup 14 hundreds into 1000 and 400, and write 4 in the hundreds column, and carry over 110 to the 1000 column. Carry over 110 1000 to the 1000 column, and add the 1000. 1000 plus 7000, 8000, 8 plus 6, 8 6 14,000, and 14 plus 7 21,000. So that is 21,000. So the sum is 21,465. Okay, and now there is an example. I can do it. You have to. The next one is I can do it. You have to solve these questions yourself. And now come on to next topic, adding large numbers. Next topic is in addition and subtraction. We are going to learn next topic, adding large numbers. Okay, we are going to learn topic adding large numbers. And in adding large numbers, there are two topics: addition without regrouping and addition with regrouping. Both topics we have to learn today, and after that we have to come on exercise 2.1. Okay, so firstly we have to cover this topic so we can understand what is addition and how we can add the numbers, how we can add 4-digit number without regrouping, and how we can add 4-digit number with regrouping, and also adding large numbers as like 5-digit number, how we can add 5-digit number with regrouping, without regrouping. So without wasting our time, common topic, that is adding large numbers. In adding large numbers, we have to learn two topics: addition without regrouping and addition with regrouping. So let's come on topic addition without regrouping. First is addition without regrouping. Addition without regrouping. Addition without regrouping. Addition without regrouping. Okay, let's come on topic addition without regrouping. Okay, so in addition without regrouping, the topic is add 25,173. Add 25,173 and 44,360 and 44,360. Okay, so let's add it, and when you will add it, firstly you know that in there is ones, tens, hundreds and thousand and 10,000. Okay, and now arrange the number 3 7 1 5 2 and 6 1 3 4 4. In a step first add the ones. In a step first add the ones. So 3 ones plus 6 ones, 9 ones. And in step 2 add the tens, 7 tens plus 1 ten, 8 tens. And in step 3 add the hundreds, 100 plus 300, that is 400. And in step 4 add the 1000, 5000 plus 4000, that is 9000. And in step 5 add the 10,000 plus 2000, 20,000 plus 40,000, that is 60,000. Okay, so the answer is 69,489. What is the answer? The answer is 69,489. And now the next topic is addition or adding large topic adding large number. We are going to learn next topic addition with regrouping. Okay, so let's come on topic addition with regrouping, and after that we have to learn exercise. We are going to solve exercise 2.1. Okay, so next topic is addition with regrouping. Addition with regrouping. Addition with regrouping. Addition with regrouping. Okay, now let's come on topic example. There is an example as addition with regrouping. Add 37,214, 25,705 and 25,705 and 34,596. 34,596. Okay, now ones, tens, 100,000. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. Okay, 4 1 2 7 8 5 0 7 5 2, and next one is 6 9 5 4 3. Firstly we have to add the ones. So 4 ones plus 5 ones plus 6 ones. 4 ones, 5 9 ones, and 9 plus 6 15 ones. And regroup 15 ones, that is 1 tens and 5 ones. So write down 5 ones. Okay. And now carry over 1 ten to the tens column, and that is 1 10, 1 1 2 2 9, 1 1 2 2 9 11, 1 carry, and 1 2 3 3 7 10 10 5 15, 1 carry, and 1 7 8 8 5 13 14 4 17, 1 carry, and 1 3 4 4 2 6 6 3 9, that is 97,550. The sum is 97,515. And on next day we have to learn exercise 2.1. Okay, and thank you for watching the video, and protect yourself from COVID-19 and stay home and stay safe. Okay, thank you for watching the video.